welcome to my guys. I'm here at Ion Orchard. Together with my friends. Ganda dito guys. Oh, heaven. This is the famous. You see the butterfly. I'm here at Ion Orchard. And there is Madame Christine. She's so pretty.
I'm working here in Dior.
Yeah, she's working in Dior. Sorry, Dior.
Tapos ang background natin, doon ang Dior.
Oh yes, the Dior is over there. Who is it? And this is Madame Mylene. You see? The wearing pair of what? Wala lang, namamasyal lang kami dito. Tsaka ang ganda ng mural. Gusto ng mural. 3D siya, 3D. Ganda oh. Diba? Kala yung TV siya, diba? Ano parang? O tara, doon tayo sagdanan. Yan. Dahil pagod na ang mga lola nyo, maupo lang kami dun sa hagdanan. Yan. Dahil tapos na kami dito mag-picture-picture. This is my first time in history. Nag-picture-picture kami. Alam nyo kung bakit? Kasi wala kaming pera para maupo sa isang fast food chain. So, upo muna tayo dito, guys. Oh. Uy, may maganda pang murals dito. In fairness, ang ganda. Yes. Oh, see. You can see the sky. So, kumusta sa lahat ng friends and relatives ko? Hi, hello guys. And shout out pala. Hello. And kung bago ka sa channel ko guys, please consider subscribing and don't forget to hit like the bell button down below for more upcoming videos. Bye everyone!